like in Hermes for Bourse Saint-Honoré. I think the #1 client there, it's not me by the way, by far, it's a Filipinas.
Tila may pa-shade daw with glitters of heart si entrepreneur and online personality Doktora Vicky Bello nang sinagot niya ang tanong kung ano ang kanyang Christmas wish.
What is your Christmas wish for the country?
Her and her partner's reaction, Hayden Ko, show that even the rich ay naaapektuhan at nade-depress na rin sa sitwasyon ng korupsyon sa bansa, lalo na sa mga nabulgar na multi-billion peso plunder cases ng ilang politiko, contractors, at mga kasabwat nila.
Nako!
Yourself.
Oh my God, I love you Philippines. I really love
We love our country so much. And it's very heartbreaking what's happening.
Bello wishes for the best for the country, of course.
And I always pray that God will make a way when there seems to be no way.
Then she starts talking politics.
I mean, they stopped airing the actual hearing, and I think it's important that we watch. Parang they just cut it, and parang we can't do anything. And then
until she blurts out the H thing. No, not hayop o huwad o halang ang kaluluwa, kundi ang very expensive luxury line na only the rich can afford. Kagaya ni Doktora Vicky Bello. That H thing is Hermes, of course.
Of course, we went to Paris Fashion Week, and I'm very aware of the way people from the Philippines who are part of the thing live. Like in Hermes for Bourse Saint-Honoré, I think the #1 client there, it's not me by the way, by far, it's a Filipinas.
Pardon if I can hardly pronounce it correctly. Probably not the target buyer, not even by a mile.
I just feel so bad for our country because you see the people suffering, you see them floods, you know how dangerous it is for leptospirosis. Anyway, I'm preaching, but I just wish that they would have love for country, that everybody would somehow, have a spiritual renewal. So anyway, God, please help us.
So, ang tini Aling Vicky is that the #1 buyer of Hermes in Paris, or probably globally, is a Filipina. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mga marites, at #1 dyan, ang bilyonaryo digital outlet na mahilig sa chismis, pati na rin ilang netizens na matatabil ang dila. And mind you, they're dropping a name. Grabe sila.
So many of my friends love the country talaga. It's just I think it's very hard to enter if you have a good heart. But I know so many people who are so good, but lower ranks pa lang, mga councilor, vice mayor, they can't take it anymore kasi they're made to sign things they don't want to sign. So they back out. Such a beautiful country. We have everything.
Well, if we go by Doktora Vicky's revelation na isang Pinay ang mahilig magharbat at mag-shopping ng Hermes sa Paris, there's also this news na ang second biggest YSL buyer, another luxury brand, ay asawa ng isang senador na iniimbestigahan ngayon sa pagnanakaw.
It's a Ferrari!
At yan ay si Miss Heart Evangelista na tinawag pa ng digital media outlet na ito na Imelda 2.0.
Imelda 2.0. That's what some netizens are calling Filipina fashion icon Heart Evangelista after her makeup artist Mimay Francisco claimed she's the second biggest global buyer of luxury brand, and I'm going to say it in my American accent because I will butcher it if I say it in French, Yves Saint Laurent.
So, eto na naman tayo. Reminds us of Heart Evangelista's alleged $1 million Paraiba tourmaline ring na nag-trigger ng mga trolls at fanatics ng cheese cult. Hindi raw $1 milyong ang price ayon sa mga pinapakalat nilang screenshots ni Heart, but $1,500,000 piso. At inggit lang daw tayo, sabi ng galunggong na to. Unang-una, hindi kinaiinggitan ang mga magnanakaw at mga beneficiaries ng nakaw na yaman. Just hope that this low info troll, isang halatang boplax, is being paid for his efforts. Pero who's gonna pay for a bobo na troll, diba? Pangalawa, the $1 million prize was widely reported by almost every media outlet. Even Google AI shows that it's estimated to be worth over $1 million. Sino ba kasi ang unang nagyabang? Proud na proud pa ang mga Cheese Heart fans bago pa nagsimula ang flood control fiasco. Now that Cheese Escudero is in trouble, bigla na lang naging poorest senator si Cheese at dinongrade din nila si Heart. Then maybe Heart should just do a press conference and show the public how much that controversial ring actually costs. Otherwise, sa korte lang magkakaalaman. Now if Dr. Vicky really pertains to Heart Evangelista, as what many people suspect, only time will tell kung siya nga talaga.